Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. Today I have a 3-pack of these BindMaster 3-outlet, 20 feet, and it's basically a 13 amp, 120 volts extension cord, indoor and outdoor use. So, pretty heavy duty, just to kind of give you an idea. And let's open one up out of the pack. And so it comes with a little twist tie on it. And then again, it's pretty long cord, so if you have something that you need some, power extension cords too. I love that it has kind of like this flat angled head on it. So you can put this against the wall, put something up against this, and then you have plenty of space. And this is a little warning label on there. And then you have a spot for 3 electrical devices that plugs in. And I love that it's got a ground, so definitely want to ground some stuff out. And then there you go. So it's a 3-pack, so you should be able to basically cover most rooms with this, and plug up to 3 things in there as long as you don't exceed the amp rating of 13 amps. And you should be good to go. Or 1625 watts altogether. Anyway, Brian from Garage Mall, thanks for watching, and be safe out there.